Today we are going to see the phrases that can be used with friends. You will never guess. This phrase is used before you tell a story, especially shocking one. For example, you will never guess who I saw yesterday.
Ketchup. To talk with someone who have not seen in a while. Example, it's always good to catch up with your old friends.
How is it going with someone? This phrase is used to ask about relationship with someone. For example, so how is it going with your new roommate?
Great minds think alike, or great minds, which means you have same idea as someone else. For example, meet at the KFC? Yeah, great minds.
Last phrase is a shoulder to cry on. This phrase is used to describe a person who gives you sympathy.